you're not worthy. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. I see someone breathing and typing. That's awesome. They're like this, like, that's incredible. Okay, up. 45 degrees that direction. Grab onto your leg or fold over and breathe. Breathe. You think you could do this during circle time instead of what's the weather? Okay, up. Other way. Whoever wrote the What's the Weather song's gonna have beef with me. Unless they're vegetarian. Yeah, that doesn't even make sense, but it's funny to me that three people. You gotta work your material. And up. And down towards the middle and breathe. Knock, knock. Boo. Don't cry, it's only a joke. Okay, now put your leg down, stand up and just check in with your body, check in with your hips, and just see if your back pain is better, worse. If it's worse, my name is Steve, and this is the Natural Behavior Mastery Workshop. Okay, have a seat.